Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fascinating Finds. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of online income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings or build a full-fledged online business, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to make money online. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing and remote work. Our first strategy revolves around freelancing and remote work. Many companies and individuals are outsourcing tasks, and you can capitalize on your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to offer services ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. This is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and earn money from the comfort of your home. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can share these links on your blog, social media, or even YouTube videos like this one. Remember, authenticity is key. Only promote products you truly believe in. 3. Online courses and ebooks. Have a passion or expertise in a particular subject? Creating and selling online courses or ebooks is an excellent way to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow you to create and sell your educational content to a global audience. Share your insights and help others while generating income. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce and dropshipping have become increasingly popular ways to make money online. With platforms like Shopify, you can set up your own online store and sell physical or digital products. If you're interested in dropshipping, you won't even need to handle inventory. The products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. 5. YouTube and content creation. Speaking of YouTube, content creation can be a lucrative endeavor. By producing engaging videos on platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Remember, consistency and providing value to your audience are essential for success in this field. 6. Stock photography and videos. Are you a skilled photographer or videographer? Consider monetizing your content through stock platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. People are constantly in need of high-quality visuals for their projects, and you can earn royalties each time your content is downloaded. 7. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a unique way to invest in property without the hassle of being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to pool your funds with others to invest in real estate projects. It's a hands-off approach to real estate investing that can generate passive income. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the best ways to make money online. Remember, success in the online world takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Experiment with different strategies, find what resonates with you, and keep refining your approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Fascinating Finds.